Who in the Wales constituency has been vaccinated so far?
Well, in the Wales constituency so far, our GP surgeries have been focusing on vaccinating people in priority groups 1 to 4. Now, those are people in care homes, people with illnesses that make them particularly vulnerable to the virus, and those who are over 70 years old. And the way that the NHS has been working is to work its way down through those age groups from the oldest to the youngest.
And who has been doing the vaccinations in the Wales constituency so far?
So our GP practices have been principally delivering the vaccine. And the way that that works is that all the GP's practices in different parts of the constituency have clustered together. So there's a North Sedgemoor cluster, which includes everything from Cheddar through to Burnham-on-Sea, and they've been delivering their vaccines so far at the Mulberry Centre. There's then a West Mendip cluster, which is Wells, Glastonbury, Street, and some of the villages around there, and they've been doing their vaccines at the West Mendip Hospital. And then there's the Central Mendip cluster, which is Shepton Mallet and all of the Mendips, and they've been doing theirs at the Mendip District Council offices. They've also been doing jabs at home for those who are housebound, and they've been doing so much of the heavy lifting so far, although some people will have had the opportunity to go to Ashton Gate or to the Bath and West or to Taunton Racecourse, where the regional vaccination hubs have been set up.
So I received a letter inviting me to Ashton Gate, the Bath and West, or Taunton Racecourse, but I've not yet heard from my GP. What should I do next?
Well, a lot of people have been in that situation where they've had a letter from the NHS that has invited them to book an appointment at one of the regional test centres. Some people were even given the opportunity to travel to Birmingham if they wanted to. If you can jump in a car and get to one of those places, then you can by all means book an appointment and go and get jabbed as soon as you're able. But you won't fall through the net if you want to wait until your doctor gets in touch. They will, and they'll book an appointment for you to go to one of the more local centres, or they'll come and visit you at home if they know that you're housebound. So you've got the choice, but don't worry, you will not fall through the net. One way or the other, either at one of the regional centres or through your GP, you will get jabbed.
It sounds like from what you said, I should have already been vaccinated, but I haven't. What could have gone wrong?
Well, so far, I know that all of our phenomenally hardworking GPs have got through everybody that is in care homes. And actually, most people older than 80 have now been vaccinated within the Wales constituency too, although there will still be some that haven't. If you think that by now you should have been contacted for a jab, and certainly if you're aged over 90, that would apply to you, then you can always get in touch with me and I can help you find out which local cluster is servicing your area, and I can try and find out why you haven't had an appointment yet. But don't worry, nothing has gone wrong. This is an amazing effort injecting thousands of people across the Wales constituency. Our GP's practices are doing amazingly. So too are the regional hubs at Ashton Gate, the Bristol City Football Club, the Bath and West Showground, and at Taunton Racecourse. So you will get invited for your vaccination really, really soon. But if you're worried, drop me a line and we'll find out what's happened and make sure something's booked for soon.